No.
What are you watching?
Galit yata yung nag-package siya. Ayaw pa buksan. Ayan. Alright. Ito yung laman ng kit. Kita nyo? Ganda na. Hard lines. At yung mismong clutch natin. Ayos ah. Ayan guys. So, yan ang laman niya. So, see? Di bali ng butas ng damit, may piyesa naman. Alright, thank you guys. Have a good day.